All right, guys, we're coming at you with 13-5. This is capacity using the metric system. So we are first have our 24, which is 13, 13, 8, and 6. See if you can come up with a solution and post that. Capacity is how much something can hold, usually in fluid units. That's what we're going to be using today. So we only have two that we use on this. So for metric, we have milliliters and liters. So our conversion is this. There are 1,000 milliliters per 1 liter. Or 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. So this one ends up being pretty easy. Because if you know that 1,000, you can either multiply or divide by it. So an example of this is I have 5,000 milliliters. How many liters would I have? Well, since it's a bigger or a smaller unit going to a bigger one, we're going to have to divide. And it's going to get smaller. So we take 5,000 milliliters and we divide it. Well, we know that there's 1,000 milliliters per liter. We're trying to figure out how many liters we have. So we have to divide by 1,000. When we divide 1,000 into 5,000, well, again, 0, 0, 0, because I can't, 1,000 doesn't go to 5, 1,000 doesn't go to 50, 1,000 doesn't go to 500, but it does go into 5,000 5 times. So, we have 1,000 divided by 5,000 equals 5 liters. So, quite a bit. You know, think of an Nalgene bottle. A full Nalgene bottle is 1 liter. So, yeah. In our next one, let's go the other way. So we have 3 liters. I want to know how many milliliters are in that. So again, when we go from bigger to smaller, it gets bigger. So we have to times it by 1,000 milliliters. And so we know 3 times 1,000 is 3,000 milliliters. So again, if you have a 2 liter of soda, you have 2,000 milliliters of soda. So pretty easy conversion, guys. This one's, again, quick. So let's look at a couple problems. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to talk about 5 first. I want, if you guys can look at any bottles around your house and see how many of them have milliliters and liters, and see, just give us an example of something on that. So for number 5, look around the house, look for a water bottle, and tell me how many milliliters it has in it, or liters if it's a bigger bottle. Okay, and you can have multiple examples for that. Just type it in for that one. All right, I have 45,000 milliliters. I want to know how many liters I have. Right here I have 6 liters. I want to know how many milliliters I have. Here I have, I have 77 liters. I want to know how many milliliters I have. And lastly, I have, 3,300 milliliters. I want to know how many liters I have. And again, you might have something like this where you have milliliters left over. You can also use a decimal on that, if you can figure that out. Anyways, guys, that is the assignment. Don't forget 5. Try to find stuff around your house. Give me an example. Hey, it's a water bottle. It was 750 milliliters. Or, man, I found a 2 liter bottle, Mr. Sinai. That's either, 2 liters or 2,000 milliliters. So just have some fun with that, guys. And other than that, we'll see you next time, and I hope you have a great day.